In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Docusign to Word in a seamless manner, making it easy for you to manage electronic signatures directly from your documents. Let's dive right into the process to ensure you can do this in just a few minutes. First, you need to navigate to the Docusign website. This is your starting point for integrating Docusign into your workflow. Docusign is widely recognized as the #1 solution in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so it's a powerful tool to have at your disposal. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed on the site. If you don't have an account yet, you can take a moment to set one up by following the straightforward registration process they provide. Having an account is essential as it will allow you to access all the necessary features to add Docusign to Word effectively. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Docusign homepage. From here you can manage your documents and templates with ease. It's like your personal hub for all things related to electronic signing and document management. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface if it's your first time here. You'll see a range of options, but for this tutorial we'll focus on selecting a template. Choosing the right template is important because it serves as the basis for your documents. Whether you're starting from scratch or working with a pre-existing format, selecting a template that matches your needs will make the process smoother and more efficient. So, take a moment to browse through the available options and pick one that aligns with your document's requirements. With the template selected, the next action is to click on Upload. This is where you can bring in your Word file, which will be used to prepare your Docusign document. Ensure your Word file is ready for uploading by checking that all the necessary content is in place and the formatting is correct. When you click on Upload, you'll be prompted to choose the Word file from your computer. Make sure you know where it's stored so you can easily locate it during this step. Once uploaded, your Word file will be integrated with Docusign, allowing you to add signature fields and manage the signing process directly within your document. From here, you can make any necessary adjustments or add additional fields to ensure that everything is set up correctly for signing. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly add Docusign to Word and enhance your document management capabilities. It's a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure that all your electronic signatures are handled professionally. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore more of what Docusign has to offer to maximize your efficiency and productivity.